Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Today I'm gonna be making the most delicious oven baked mac and cheese. And guys, this is my family's favorite. They can't get enough of it whenever I make it because it is that good. The first thing I'm gonna do is to heat up some water and bring it to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, I'm gonna add enough salt to make the water salty because this is the only time I'll be adding salt. And don't worry, the macaroni is not gonna be salty. Then I'm gonna add the macaroni, stir it so that they don't stick together or stick to the bottom of the pot. So I'm gonna let it cook for about 7 minutes or until al dente. For the cheese, I'm gonna be using sharp cheddar, mozzarella, Monterey Jack, and provolone cheese. I'm just gonna be using 8 ounces of each cheese. This block of Monterey Jack cheese is 32 ounces, so I'm gonna cut a fourth of it, which is gonna make it 8 ounces. The mozzarella is 16 ounces, so I'm gonna cut it into 2. So this is 8 ounces. So I'm gonna be grating all the cheese. So in case you're wondering why I am using block cheese instead of shredded cheese, of course, it is easier to use shredded cheese, but the problem with shredded cheese, it doesn't melt nicely together the way block cheese would melt nicely. Especially when you sprinkle the shredded cheese on top of the mac and cheese. After baking, you can still see the pieces of shredded cheese, and that doesn't really look good. So if this is your first time on my channel, or you're a returning viewer, and you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe button and on the notification bell so that you can get an alert whenever I post a video. Like and share the video. Thank you and God bless you. You can also find me on Facebook, Instagram, and on my website with the same name, Spicy and Delicious Goodness. Let me also use this time to send a very special shout out to all those that have subscribed. You guys are the best. I love you. Thank you and God bless you. So this is the last of the block cheese that I'm gonna be shredding. When I'm done, I'm gonna move over to the provolone cheese because it is very difficult to find them in blocks. They always come in slices. So I'm just gonna slice them into little pieces to mimic shredded cheese. So this is it, we're done with the cheese. I'm also gonna be using evaporated milk. It is very important to shake it very well before you open it. If not, you're gonna find lumps in the milk and you're not gonna like it. So back to the macaroni. I did not forget it. I stirred it frequently once in a while so that they don't stick to the bottom of the pot. After cooking it for 7 minutes, I'm gonna drain the macaroni. Then I'm gonna give it a quick shake to remove the salty water, then transfer it back to the pot. This is where I'm gonna add and mix everything together. So it is time to add everything together. Add the evaporated milk, about a teaspoon of nutmeg, add pepper to your taste. Then I'm gonna add all the cheese together. For the Monterey Jack cheese and the provolone cheese, I'm gonna add everything together. But for the cheddar and the mozzarella, I'm gonna add some and save some for the topping. If you prefer a very cheesy mac and cheese or you are a cheese lover, you can add as much cheese as you want. Add 2 or 3 large eggs and mix to combine. Like I said when I was cooking the macaroni, once the water is salted properly, there will be no need for you to add more salt because the macaroni already has the taste of the salt and the taste from the cheese, the combination, everything. You do not need salt. But if you love salt so much and you want more, you can add to your taste. So I'm going to continue to mix everything until it is well combined. After everything is properly mixed together, I'm going to pour it into a greased baking dish. Then I'm going to smoothen the top so that there will be even distribution of the mac and cheese. I also have another mac and cheese recipe. I'm going to leave the link in the description box. You can check it out later. So now that I'm done, it is time to spread the cheese on top of the mac and cheese. I'm going to start with the mozzarella cheese, spread it evenly on top of it. Then I'm going to spread the cheddar cheese. The cheese is going to melt and spread out nicely over it, and it's going to create a beautiful, yummylicious golden color. My oven is already preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which is also 180 degrees Celsius. So I'm gonna bake it for 30 to 40 minutes or until the top is golden brown. 40 minutes later, it is ready, it is done. I can't wait to dig in. Look at the color, so beautiful golden color. Look at this mouth-watering mac and cheese. The smell is amazing. See, it tastes good. I'm not gonna lie to you, it is very good. By the time you taste it, you're gonna be amazed. And when there's an event that involves food and you want to impress your family members, your neighbors, your friends, your co-workers, this is an excellent dish that you can take to that event and it's gonna please any crowd. This mac and cheese is so delicious, very cheesy of course. The best part of this mac and cheese for me is the top. I love the texture of it and the taste. It is to die for. By the time you give it a try, you're gonna understand what I'm talking about. Our Thanksgiving and Christmas is not complete without this mac and cheese, and it could be your family's favorite if you give it a try. I promise you, you're not gonna be disappointed. You're gonna love it. Okay, let me go and finish my mac and cheese. So, thank you guys for watching. Till I see you next time. Stay safe, stay blessed. I love you. Bye.